Hello children, I am Siva Parvati, working as an English and life skills trainer in Naipunya Vikasam. Children, shall I ask you a question before starting the lesson? Have you ever saved money in your kiddie banks? Have you ever used that money for your beloved ones or to buy beloved things? I know that someone of you saved money and buy chocolates or some things which you like most, right? Yes. Now, shall I tell you a small story? Okay, now I'm going to tell you a small story. There are two friends. Their names are Divya and Shravya, who are studying in 8th class. When they go to school, every day their parents give some pocket money to both of them. Divya has a habit of saving money in her kiddie bank. She doesn't like to waste money for useless things. But Shravya always spends money to buy lot of things, lot of toys and unnecessary accessories. Now, after some years, both of them doing their graduation, Shravya always going to shopping and spends her money lavishly. But Divya buys a laptop with her savings. After completion of their graduation, Divya wants to start a business and Shravya is married and doesn't want to do any job. After 2 years, Divya becomes a successful person in business and settle with her family. One day, Shravya's husband has had an accident. Divya receives a call from Shravya and needs some money for the treatment of her husband and takes 5 lakhs of amount from Divya for her husband's operation. Then Shravya realizes of saving money and knows the value of money. So, students, don't waste your money for unnecessary things. Before you spending money, think twice if it is useful or not. Now, our topic is value of money. Here we have a small quotation. Money speaks only one language. If you save me today, I will save you tomorrow. Now I tell you another quotation. Never spend your money before you have earned it. Then you will know the value of money. Otherwise, you will never. Now I tell you some tips for saving money. Discuss wants and needs. What are wants and what are needs? Earn your own money. Set savings goals. Provide a place to save. Talk about money. Open a bank account. Learn personal savings from elders. Now you understand, children, how to save money and use it for your needs. Now I am going to tell you the benefits of savings. Important benefits of saving money. Helps in emergencies. Emergencies are always unexpected. Accidentally. Helps to finance vacations. Limits debt. Gives financial freedom. Helps prepare for retirement. Helps finance further education. If you save money, it saves you tomorrow. So, children, do you save money today onwards? Okay, good. Keep saving money. Students, this video will help you to know the value of money, right? Thank you for watching. Thank you.